Hi, I'm Christina Bunch from Bunch of Styles. I hope you could like and subscribe this video if it helps you or adds any value to your business. So what I want to teach you is how to have your own e-commerce business for under $100. So what you need is, you just need this plastic bag, and you could get this at Walmart for like under $5. You could get a Scotch tape like this, and then you use something like a Sharpie, and something like this is just like $19 on eBay. And what you also need is something like this, a measuring tape for the clothes, and IKEA bags, just like under $5. So all this supplies right here is all under $100, and you could run your own e-commerce business for really cheap. So what you want to do is, you want to have all the records of everything that you're buying and you're selling, so that when you have taxes, you could have that all ready and prepared for you. So what you can do is buy something like this, which is only, these things are like under $20 at Walmart, Target, whatever. So you would do this is every day you would put all your receipts here, Monday through Saturday, all the receipts that you buy things, and then at the end of the month you could transfer it to this bigger one, which would have January to December for all your expenses, so that you could have this ready for your accountant if you ever get audited. And then you could use something like this under $10 right here to track all your miles and any kind of expenses that you have. So all of that is probably going to be under $100 right there. And then you want to have an Excel spreadsheet that's going to record all of your transactions. So I contacted Not Your Dad's CPA. He's actually an accountant. You could reach out to him, shout out to him. And what you're going to do is, you're going to write down the label and the area where you purchased the item name, the purchase date, the purchase price, which platforms, and then if it sells, the cost of goods sales, the fees, the shipping, and all of that. So what I do is, I just use something like this. This is completely free, which is my living room. You have nice light. You don't have to buy those expensive $100 lights. And you could just get something like this, like a tape here with a hanger, and you're just gonna hang the clothes on there. You're gonna take photographs of the top, from the front and the back, and then you're just going to measure it from pit to pit and from top to bottom, as well as maybe the label of the item, as well as the make, if it's cotton, something like that. And you're just going to have that ready for you, and then you're going to put them in the plastic bag, which you bought at Walmart for under $5, and you're just going to put a Scotch tape right there and write item 1 in the bag number 1. And then you have item 1, bag 1. And then when you use that app for Poshmark or eBay, you're gonna put anywhere in the descriptions, item 1, bag 1, so that you could just find the item really fast. And then you have a track record. When it sells, you're gonna put all the information in. So now you know exactly how much you bought it for, how much you spent it for, and you have all the receipts for the accountant. And you have your own multi-million-dollar, I'm just kidding. You have your own e-commerce business. It's as easy as that. You could buy inventory from the bins. You could buy inventory from Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, any store you like. And then when you get bigger, you could do something like this and buy something like this for Amazon to measure and weigh the bigger boxes for 50 pounds. And all of this is really inexpensive. You could even get your tape on eBay's website. When you sell a certain amount every quarter, you'll get these free tapes that you could order, so that would be free. So everything that I recommended is the least expensive way to run your own e-commerce business. This is also for students and for moms who are busy and want to listen to podcasts or study. You could have a speaker headset and you could just listen to your books. So I have my Kindle books on my books that I have for school, and I just listen to my books while I'm listing, when I'm doing all this and entering all the data, so that I could be studying and I could also do all my work within the 8-hour workday. So I hope this helps somebody. Please share this with a mom, a student, anybody that hates to work 9-to-5 jobs. This is perfect for you. And like and subscribe, and thank you so much for spending your day with me.